All right, we're multi-sync, and you can figure everything out from the first slide. So, well, I'll go on. Um, there's a problem with application hosting. It's expensive. It goes down like it did 2 weeks ago at Amazon, and it takes a lot of time to build to get all the back end to work just right for thousands of users. We can take care of that. We have a new kind of, we're calling it a DApp, for a decentralized application platform. We can charge 75% less. We eliminate the need for the back end, and we get rid of the fragility. And then we think that's a pretty good deal. All right, so I think everybody's seen this, right, from 2 weeks ago. A third of our network can go down. Everybody still stays up on our platform. All right, these are the segments, market segments we're looking at. They're all gigantic. If you look at $182 billion, if they all came into our platform, it would only be $45 billion, and all that $140 billion would go off to customers or to other companies' bottom lines. Figma spends $300,000 a day. If they came to us, they could save $75 million a year. They could get to market faster with their new versions. They'd have a whole lot of other new cool capabilities built in. So if anybody's from Figma, see me later. You can fill out a PO. Everything will be fine. All right. We are our own L0, L1 hybrid chain. It's all ours. It's dedicated just for serving applications, built just for that. So we get all these goodies built into it. Less than 50 millisecond synchronization. It's all validator, synchronizer platform, as you can understand how that would work. Zero trust, all the goodies you'd expect or want. So if you still don't know what we're doing, think of it as Firebase, only it's better. And instead of managing the back end, we eliminate the need for back end. All right. We have a friend over at Monad, just a mile away. He's a business development guy. He sat down with an AI on our platform, and he built basically Google Docs in one day. And it's able to have as many users as you want concurrently editing a thing. All right. Pretty cool stuff. Our go-to-market plan is really simple. We're going to do something I'm calling pie-shaped, because we're going to go across all 11 platforms, and we're going to go deep on 2. So it looks like pie. We're going to go and tackle, and we're going to get to be experts at 2, and then 3, and then 4. And we're going to really use a standard disruptor model, like from Clayton Christensen, right? We're going to go after the people who are underserved today, and we're going to come up the market, all right? We're going to use the normal token systems to manage the entire network and pay for it. We're going to have all the kind of ecosystem programs you'd expect to keep everybody happy. In January, we'll have our own app builder, AI build. We're going to call it Sync Builder. We're going to have hackathons. We'll have contests, all the kind of stuff you'd like. And our business model, again, there's a labs, there's a foundation. It's what you'd expect. Investors get to have fun based on our equity and our token. We anticipated TGE early next year. And if you still don't get what we're doing, think of it like helium, right? We're providing real services to real people in the real world, and we're using Web3 in the background to make it all happen. Okay? This is kind of our timeline. And I was budgeted for 7 minutes, and I finished in 3. So we either get an award or you're asking for more information. So we're downstairs on the main floor. You come by, we got a demo. You can talk to our CTO, ask him the really hard questions. He's awesome. And I think I'm done, right? We have a good story you can get through fast, right?